This is gorgeous. Simple, easy to create, stressless, effortless. Try. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome. As in you, if you are new. No, I think you are new. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I do makeup tutorial, hair tutorial, and product review. But basically for now, I'm just into makeup. Other things will follow, okay? For the great and the great VIPs, thank you so much for keep coming to watch my video. As in during that night streaming, during those silent streaming, as in these people kept coming. A guy, is it a guy or a man, and few ladies. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. May the Lord raise people that will support you. Thank you once again. Thank you. Guys, I'm back again with another tutorial, as you can see. So if you want to see how I got this done, keep watching. For today's tutorial, I'll be using Beige Cosmetics palette. This is going to be my transition shade. So for the second shade, I'm going to apply this right here. So guys, to darken my outer corner, I'll be using this black shade here. So here is my precise blending brush. So I'm just going to blend it. I'll blend it towards the crease area. Then I'm going to apply burnt orange into my crease. For my liner, I'm going to use pH liquid eyeliner. Going to apply my forces, then I'll be back. So guys, face off now. I'm going to apply my foundation. As usual, I'm going to mix these two foundations together. So guys, I'm using Revolution Ultra Contour to bake my under eye area, and I'm also going to use it to contour my face. Setting spray, bronze powder. I'll be using Makeup Revolution. Blush, I'll be using Makeup Revolution. Guys, you know everything about me is Makeup Revolution. I'll be using Wet n Wild megaglo highlighter. lip with Tea Forever True Kohl in number 22, and I'm going to apply my lipstick, Boohoo liquid lipstick. Yeah. So guys, this is the finished look. Guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Before you go, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, hit the notification bell. You'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload any video, new video, as in you'll be the VIP. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.